In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Miro board to a CSV file. This is incredibly useful if you want to analyze or share your board data more broadly, especially if you're collaborating with a team who may need the data in a more universally accessible format like a spreadsheet. So let's dive in and make this process as easy and smooth as possible. To start with, you'll need to have an open Miro board that you wish to export. Once you're looking at your board, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Export this board. It's usually highlighted, so it should be easy to find at a quick glance. This button is your gateway to choosing how you want to export your board, whether as an image, PDF, or, as we're doing today, a CSV file. Once you click on Export this board, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu presents you with several export options, and for our task today, you should select Export to Spreadsheet, CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values, which is a simple file format used to store tabular data, such as a spreadsheet or database. Not only is it lightweight, but a CSV file can be opened by many applications, including various spreadsheet tools like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any text editor for viewing and editing. Choosing CSV is particularly beneficial when you have structured Miro board data that you need to manipulate further or process using another tool. Once you click on this option, Miro will work its magic and convert the board data into a CSV file format for download. Now, keep in mind that the process might take a couple of moments, depending on the size of your board and the amount of content on it. Don't worry if it seems like it's taking a little longer than expected. It's normal, especially for boards packed with content. After the export, the CSV file will typically be saved to your default download location on your computer. If you're unsure where that is, check your browser settings under Downloads to verify or change your download location. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Miro board to a CSV file. This flexibility allows for great ease when working with your data outside of Miro. Whether you're looking to analyze trends, prepare reports, or share structured data with your team, exporting to CSV is a robust option. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.